In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create tracking links in Segmetrics. By the end, you'll know exactly how to build clean, consistent links that attribute your traffic and conversions correctly. Start by opening your preferred web browser and searching for Segmetrics. In the results, click the official Segmetrics website. You'll know you're in the right place if you see a secure connection and the company's homepage. Once you're on the site, click Log In and access your account. After you're in, look to the left-hand menu. Under the Tools section, select Tracking Links. This is the hub where you'll create and manage all the links used in your campaigns. On the Tracking Links page, click the Create Link button. You'll see two paths. Choose Builder if you're creating a brand new tracking link from scratch. Choose Existing Link if you're importing a link that already exists and simply want Segmetrics to track it. For most new campaigns, Builder is the best choice. Next, enter your link details. Give the link a clear, descriptive name so your team can recognize it later, like a short label for the campaign and placement. Then paste the destination URL. This must be the full address starting with HTTP or HTTPS. Make sure the destination page already has the Segmetrics tracking code installed. Without it, clicks may not attribute correctly, and your reporting will be incomplete. Now configure your UTM parameters to control how traffic is categorized in your analytics. Set the UTM source to the referrer, such as Facebook, newsletter, or Google. Then set the UTM medium to the marketing channel, like CPC, email, or banner. Use consistent naming across campaigns to keep reports tidy. Select or create your UTM campaign next. This groups related efforts under a single campaign name. You can also optionally fill in UTM content to differentiate creative variations and UTM term if you're tracking specific keywords. A quick tip: use lowercase, avoid spaces, and stick to hyphens or underscores. This small habit prevents duplicate entries in your reports. When everything looks correct, click Create or Save Link. Segmetrics will generate the tracking link using your destination and UTMs. From here, that link is ready for use in your ads, emails, or social posts, and your performance data will roll into Segmetrics with the exact source, medium, and campaign you set. If you ever need to update naming or fix a typo, you can return to tracking links to adjust settings for cleaner attribution going forward. That's it. You've successfully created a tracking link in Segmetrics with consistent UTM tagging and reliable attribution.